Hey, what's going on, guys? We got another mod for the Infiniti G35 Coupe. Mine's a 2005. It is the push button start. Well, it looks pretty nice. And it's keyless now. You do not need a key. But the only thing you do need is this fob right here. It goes on your key ring. It's good to have the... It doesn't work, it's just for the push button start. It's not to enter your vehicle keylessly with the locks. It does nothing to do with that. It's specifically for the push button start. So what you do with this fob is you have the antenna in your car wherever you put it, and you scan it over the antenna, and it beeps once to lock it and then twice to activate the button to where you can push to start. So I'll show you. See, beep twice. Now you can turn it to battery on. See, it turns on the radio, and then hit it twice. Turns on the ACC, and you have air conditioning. And then third time, back to off. So if you want to lock it to where you can't push it at all, scan, beeps once, nothing. And that's all without pushing the brake. So if you want to start the vehicle, scan it, push the brake down, see it activates the light, and just press once. And now it's started. So the company that makes this is Jordan Distributor Incorporated. And I'll put the link in the description where you can buy one of these. I think they make them for multiple years of the Infiniti. And also, they have an install video, so I'm not gonna go through the install, but you have to make sure you pick the right year because they do have different attachments. It's all plug and play. So the different attachment would be for maybe the model or the year of your Infiniti. So you just make sure you get the right year, and they give you a guide on how to install and do everything correctly. It's fairly easy. I did it within 30-40 minutes. And again, I'll put the link in the description of where to buy. But the only thing that they didn't have, it came with a ring, but theirs was pretty ugly and it didn't fit correctly. So I had this one custom 3D printed, and it made it look a lot better aesthetically. It's just me personally, I like the aesthetics of this one. But I'll put a picture of what the other one looked like right now. And see, it just didn't match up or anything like that with the corner. And this one's way better. But this is it's a resin print. And if you guys have any questions, just send a message, or I'll put my Instagram. You can message me if you would like one. I have a couple more of these that I printed. But all in all, I give it a 10 out of 10. I like it. No more key. And also you can also get these stickers where you can place them on your phone, you can place it on whatever. This also starts it. You just scan it over the scanner and it'll start it. And they also have a card, which I don't have on me, I believe. Oh no, I do. There's also a card. I guess it's similar to the Tesla card or any of the other new model vehicles, where you can just pull their card and you can scan it too. See, this is what it's called. It's called the ghost key, and that'll activate to where you can start your vehicle. And then to kill the engine, you can't just press it. You have to be actively pressing the brake. And you don't need to scan it again, but just actively pressing the brake and it turns it off. And the activator, the antenna, or the module, it stays active for 1 minute. I believe you have to adjust it on the module, but then you can also do to make it stay active where you don't have to scan again for 30 seconds to a minute, I believe. So I think I have mine on a minute. So you can just get out of the car and it'll just lock itself. And then you can get back in, scan it, activate it, and then you're able to start. Like, see, I don't need to scan it again, and it's ready to go. Everything's on, good to go. So that pretty much wraps it up. If you have any questions, just link them in the messages below, and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks.